Being an entrepreneur myself, I always have this battle about time. I know that I have a lot of things that I can do, but a lot of it is because I couldn't do, not because I don't have the skills, not because I don't have the knowledge to do it, but it's because I don't have enough time to execute it. We all know that we all only have 24 hours, and that's an issue here because part of it we need to sleep, part of it because we need to eat. Also, you can't be working 16 hours a day every single day. You can't do that. So time is very important. Don't you agree? Time is also very precious because it is the most expensive thing that you cannot get back at all. Once it's gone, it's gone. Don't you agree with that? And the thing about starting businesses, time. What about time spending with your precious loved ones? Are you okay with spending all your time in doing business? That you don't have time for your friends, for your family, for your kids perhaps? You feel guilty about it, don't you? Well, this video, I'm gonna show you what is the easiest way that you can make money with AI and save your time. Stay tuned. So the business model which I would suggest you to use AI to make easy money is to start having a blog as well as having an affiliate marketing included. In this case, blog plus an affiliate model. In order for you to start in this, you first need to set up a blog. My suggestion is to use Bluehost and WordPress. Step 2 is to join an affiliate program. There's a lot of affiliate networks that is reputable and good. Here are my suggestions: Digistore24, CJ Affiliate, and ClickBank. These are the reputable ones that you can join and see what niche that you're interested in that you can start with your blog and drive traffic to the affiliate program. When people buy, you get a commission out of it. So step 3 is to rewrite other successful blogs that is in a similar niche to your own. But of course, don't just rewrite, add in more value, whether is it video or graphic. My suggestion is to use FreePic, Flaticon, or Lumen 5. Now, the thing here is, those content is very successful. For example, just Google it and check top 10 X of a particular industry or a particular niche. Those are the great ones because it is the top 10 on Google's search engine. So those are the successful ones. Your job here is how can you make it much more better than the original creator. Number 4, once you rewrite the blogs and you add in your affiliate link, you can start promoting it on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, Reddit, or LinkedIn. Depends on your niche. Go to the one where your customers or potential customers are at. Like if you are targeting the millennials, for example, TikTok is one of the best. But if you're targeting female-centric, maybe Instagram, Pinterest, maybe you're targeting B2B, then LinkedIn would be the best one. You may be thinking, what sort of AI writer that I'm talking about? Well, the link is in the description and you can start writing it for free. The good thing about this AI writer is that it is SEO optimized and it's plagiarism free. So you don't need to worry about all those kind of things. How it works is that you can get ideas from there. You can get an intro out from there. You can get outline out there or even create an article from there as well. And there's so many things you can create from there, including this YouTube description is written by the AI writer itself. So definitely check this out. All right. It's also used by notable companies such as Rakuten, Spotify, and has won numerous awards. So definitely nothing to be afraid of. You also can write a lot of things from there, whether it's Quora answers, landing pages, Facebook ads, your company mission and company bio or whatnot. All right. So especially for new companies or if you are a startup or someone who have never done a startup, just wanting to do some online business or side hustle, so this one will save you a lot of time. Try it out, guys. For me, after trying this out, I never went back. I use this tool almost every single day, and this is something that saved me thousands and thousands of hours and brain juice and my sanity itself from running my own business and whatnot, and it helped me a lot. I cannot stress this out. This is something all entrepreneurs should check. As you can see in this page itself, this guy, Will Sharon, I hope I get that right, Will Sharon. Well, he has written an article or one article per day and now into 8. And shows that he's really happy with it, especially since now Google has stopped its bombardment on AI content. The other thing about this AI writer is that it's backed up by Y Combinator, which in fact has backed up Twitch, Reddit, Airbnb, OpenSea, totally help increase my confidence in it as well. And it's suitable for solo entrepreneurs. It helps save time and it helps with ideas, especially ideas. So many times I crack my brain thinking of ideas and I couldn't find out what's the best way to do. I hope this video helps you. I'll see you in the next one.